Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the ice bin assembly in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or broken and ice isn't coming out of the dispenser. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So I'm going to open up the fridge here. And on this door right here, you'll see we've got this big compartment, which is for the ice. So you open that up, and that is just a button on the side. You lift up, and it pops right out. And so now we've got the ice bin assembly right here. So if the ice bin isn't working, and for example, the auger isn't working the right way, something like that, your ice is just not coming out, we can reach under here, and there's a button that you're going to pull in, and the ice maker comes right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement ice bin. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now when we put the ice bin back in, we're just going to line up a couple of things. There's a hole right here, which corresponds to this piece right here, which goes to the auger. So that just spins that around. So when we put it in there, just going to put it straight up in here like that and set it down, and it just popped right in. So then it's secure. It's not going to come out unless you pull that button and pull it out. So now we'll close up this insulating door here, and we can close our fridge, and your repair is complete. I bought my friend a fridge for his birthday. I can't wait to see his face light up when he opens it. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.